divine restoration. Sivumele ndithi aku-evangelical ministry ayingo-evangelical just yena yedwa, ku-evangelical and apostolic ministries. I have started this ministry. I have prayed about this ministry, and the Lord has revealed izinto ezinzulu.
It has come. It is here. It is inside.
Usanime Magashi Conference